Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu with you. Today we are going to checking out a fast lock manufactured by SNG, Sargent and Greenleaf. This is a 6800 series lock. 4 models in this lock series: 6860, 6870, 6880 and 6890. Key changing procedure is same in these 4 models. You will get different length of keys in this model series. I have some keys here. This one is detachable. According to your product, you can use different length of keys. It's very easy to use. Today I will show you how to change the keys and how to reset the lock, what is inside. Also I will show you how to remove the key after unlock the lock. Normally this lock is not able to remove the key after unlock because it's not fully done. So let's check it out. Don't skip the video. If you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe it. And also like the video. And one more thing, actually in this is an old lock. In this lock there's no key now, so I have to reset first. So let's open it up. It's coming with the T15 Allen key. It's coming like this. Remove it carefully. This is the stopper inside this lock. Open the lock and cut this part. You can remove the key after unlock it. Now I am not cutting this for a safety purpose. Always it's good. It's not coming out. Let's reset the lock. Before reset the lock, you have to confirm 3 things. Pull this up. turn this thing with one screwdriver. When you're turning, pull this reset button up. This thing should be go here, the first cutting. Keep it like this and turn it fully 180 degree. So the bolt will be inside, the reset button inside, the stopper down, then put it everything back. The lever is same. If you are putting the spring, the first one upside, the second one should be down. Let's put it back. Then put the spring back. Push it all the way in. That's good. Then put the spring for reset button. Put the cover back. Screw it. Let's check it out. This key is coming with new lock. Put it all the way in. Turn it anti-clockwise. So now it's paired to this key. When you're opening, it will not turn fully because for the safety purpose, this key will not come out when you are opening a lock. Some customer need to remove the key after unlocking, so you have to remove the parts from inside. I showed it before. Let's check it out how to change the key. Before changing the key, you have to open the safe or door, whatever it is, and turn the handle to close position. Then close the lock. There's a button here, you have to press it down. For this purpose I have a pin here, see? I'll keep it here like this and press it. Put this key in, turn it clockwise 180 degree. The bolt will go inside and key will come out. Finished. Now this lock is reset position. See the button Go inside. Now let's check it with this key. The new key. Push it all the way in. Turn it anti-clockwise. Now your lock is paired to this key, new key. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell button, and also like my video. If you have any suggestion and any fault in my video, you can come to my comment box. Thank you.